Dear students, we are going to discuss about explicit and implicit function today, and also find the differentiation of explicit and implicit function. Okay, so first of all we are going to discuss about what is explicit function and what is implicit function. For suppose I am taking some example first. Suppose y equal to x square plus twice x plus 3. Suppose again y equal to suppose sine inverse x, or suppose y equal to log of sine inverse root x. Okay, in this type of function you see y is directly expressed in terms of x, so we can write y is a function of x. Y is directly a function of x. If y can be expressed as a function of x directly, then such type of function are called what? Explicit. This type of function are called what? Explicit function. And already we solve few questions regarding explicit function, how to find the derivative of explicit function, this type of function, this type of function, this type of function. We already find the derivative of this. So now we are going to discuss about implicit function, because this is the main discussion of today's class. For example, suppose that if I say y equal to x square y plus 2x plus e to the power minus y. Here you see y and x are mixing up. Y and x are what? Mixing up. So you cannot say y is totally in terms of what? X. And more examples like that. Suppose x square into e to the power minus y plus x square into log y plus suppose x into y equal to suppose 0. So this is also a function of x and y. It is this type of function are called function of x and y. Function of x and y. This is also called function of x and y. It is a function of x and y. If this y is go in this right hand side, then it is becomes 0. Then this is equal to 0. So these are function of x and y. Here x and y are mixing up. X and y are what? Mixing up, and it is very difficult for you to find the difficult for you to express y in terms of fx, means you cannot express in this form, and therefore this type of function, when y cannot express in terms of x, then such type of function are called implicit function. Implicit function. Whenever you are going to find the derivative of implicit function, remember that some key points you have to remember. The key points are like suppose d dx of y square. What should be d dx of y square? We know that by the definition of standard derivative, d dx of x square is equal to what? Twice x. If it is x, then it is also x, so we have no issue. Since you consider this particular y as your x, this particular y is your what? X, then what happen? Your derivative becomes what? 2y. But y is not x. We suppose it is x. By chain rule, again derivative of y with respect to x means d dx of क्या करना होगा? Y, and d dx of y means what? dy by dx. Similarly, suppose there are many results like d dx of suppose log y. d dx of log y means 1 by y, but y is other than x into dy by dx. Suppose d dx of sin y, so it can be written as what? Cos y, but derivative of y again with respect to x, because y and x are not same, so dy by dx. In this process, suppose d dx of e to the power minus y. So if you consider this y as x, then it will be e to the power minus x, and we know d dx of e to the power minus x means what? Minus e to the power minus x. Again derivative of y with respect to x means dy by dx. Okay, so in this way you can use this particular results in implicit function to find the derivative of a function with respect to what? X. Now we are going to find the derivative of some explicit and implicit function. For example, suppose that find find dy by dx. You have to find what? dy by dx. The relation is, suppose number 1, x square plus x into e to the power minus y plus, suppose sin y equal to, suppose a is a constant. Okay, now this is an implicit function, and in this implicit function, how to derivative? The rule is, for this you have to write first differentiating both sides with respect to x. तो दोनों साइड में डी डी एक्स लेंगे तो क्या होगा? डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर होगा, डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स इंटू ई टू द पावर माइनस वाई होगा, प्लस डी डी एक्स ऑफ साइन वाई होगा, and this particular result is equal to what? 0, because derivative of constant is equal to what? 0. Now derivative of x square is what? Twice x. Now here you can use the product rule, u into b, ddx of u into b. You know u into, u means x, into ddx of b, b means e to the power minus y, plus e to the power minus y into ddx of what? X. U into ddx of b plus b into ddx of u formula. And ddx of sin y means what? Cos y. But y is other than x, so again derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx. Just I had already discussed about this particular point, how y cos y into dy by dx. sin y का डेरिवेटिव क्या है? cos y है, फिर y क्या है? y और x सेम नहीं है, इसीलिए उसको फिर डेरिवेटिव करना है. ddx of y means what? dy by dx. Now from here 2x plus, now what is the derivative of e to the power minus y? अगर ये मान लो x है, e to the power minus x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? माइनस आएगा, तब क्या होगा? x इंटू आपका क्या हो जाएगा? e टू द पावर माइनस वाई हो जाएगा. सिंस y इज अदर देन x, y एंड x अलग अलग है, तो फिर डिराइवेटिव करो इंटू dy बाई डी एक्स, e टू द पावर माइनस वाई, एंड वी नो ddx ऑफ x इज व्हाट? 1 plus cos y into dy by dx. Okay, so this is a particular derivative of this particular expression. Now all the term containing dy by dx लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में रखो, उससे dy by dx अगर कॉमन लेंगे तो हमारा क्या होगा? cos y माइनस x into e to the power minus y into dy by dx, and all the term not containing dy by dx pick up into the right hand side. It is equal to minus 2x minus plus e to the power minus y. उस साइड में ले जाएंगे तो माइनस होगा, माइनस कॉमन ले लिया है, एंड देन फाइनली विल गेट dy by dx equal to dy by dx is equal to what? minus twice x plus e to the power minus y divided by cos y minus x into e to the power minus y. So this is the final answer. Okay, so whenever explicit function is given, that is implicit function is given, so you use this way to find the derivative of the function. That means you find what? dy by dx. Okay, so I have given I have solved one question. I will give you some homework to you, and you try to solve all these questions, and I hope that you can do it easily. Another more question I want to solve today and finish up the class. So there is a question number suppose 2. Question is, suppose sin square y plus cos square y, sin square y plus cos square xy is equal to k. Okay, sin square y plus cos square xy is equal to k. This is also an explicit function. This is also an implicit function. And how to differentiate? So you have to write differentiating both sides with respect to x. डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो क्या होगा? d dx of sin square y plus d dx of cos square xy equal to, and it is constant k, इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 0 होगा. Now this can be written as d dx of sin y whole square. Now you suppose that this sin y is your x, then it will be d dx of x square type. तो x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? 2x होता है, तो इसमें 2 क्या होगा? 2 इंटू एक्स. एक्स मीन्स व्हाट? Sin y. X means what? Sin y. But see, sin y is not x, it is other than x, so again derivative of sin y into ddx of what? Sin y. Similarly, this expression will be same way, 2 into cos xy into ddx of cos xy is equal to what? 0. I hope you understand. सेम उसमें क्या होगा, cos xy होल स्क्वायर होगा, फिर एक्स स्क्वायर टाइप हो जाएगा, उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? ट्वाइस एक्स होगा. सिंस cos y क्या है, cos y के cos xy क्या है, अलग है, तो इट इज़ अदर देन x, सो अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos xy विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू व्हाट? x. ठीक है. सो 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा, देन इट विल बी sin y एंड ddx ऑफ sin y क्या है? cos y होगा. अगेन डेरिवेटिव ऑफ y मीन्स व्हाट? dy by dx. हियर ऑल्सो cos xy एंड ddx ऑफ cos xy मीन्स साइन माइनस आएगा तो इधर माइनस हो जाएगा, माइनस साइन xy. अगेन ddx ऑफ व्हाट? बिकॉज ये जो टर्म है xy इट इज़ अदर देन x, सो इनटू ddx ऑफ xy इज इक्वल टू 0. देन फाइनली you are getting sin y into cos y dy by dx minus cos xy into sin xy, एंड उसको अगर डेरिवेटिव करेंगे तो u इंटू वी, एक्स इंटू डी डी एक्स ऑफ वाई मीन्स डी वाई बाई डी एक्स प्लस वाई इंटू डी डी एक्स ऑफ एक्स मीन्स वाट? 1 होगा, इज इक्वल टू वाट? 0. नाउ फ्रॉम हियर इट इज़ इजी फॉर यू टू फाइंड द डी वाई बाई डी एक्स. ऑल द टर्म कंटेनिंग dy by dx कम्स टुगेदर. इफ आई टेक dy by dx कॉमन उस दोनों से, तो क्या होगा? sin y cos y माइनस x इंटू cos x y sin x y इंटू dy by dx इज इक्वल टू, हमारा क्या होगा? y के साथ इसको मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तो ये दिस टर्म इन दिस मल्टीप्लाई करके राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाओ. राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाओ तो क्या होगा? इट विल बी y cos एक्स वाई इंटू साइन एक्स वाई. ठीक है. तो इसके बाद आपका आंसर क्या हो रहा है? आपका आंसर हो रहा है dy by dx is equal to, finally your answer becomes y cos xy into sin xy डिवाइडेड बाई ये जो टर्म होगा sin y cos y माइनस x cos xy sin xy. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, so I have solved 2 questions. I hope that you understand, and many questions are in your textbook. You try to solve and finish the chapter. Okay, I'll give some homework to you and you'll solve all the questions. I hope that you can able to solve all these questions. Thank you very much and have a good day.